Is your garbage disposal jammed? Running slow? Call ASAP Drain Guys and Plumbing. We can install a 1/2 horsepower Badger 5 underneath your sink. Before we start, we need to unhook the electrical. Some of them are hardwired, but in most cases you can just unplug it from the wall. We will unhook the drain that goes up to the dishwasher. Once that's unhooked, we can unhook the drain and remove the garbage disposal. By turning the garbage disposal clockwise, it unconnects from the sink. Once that's done, we'll install the new garbage disposal, re-hook up the drain, hook up the dishwasher, and check the electrical and plug it back in. ASAP Drain Guys and Plumbing carries garbage disposals on their trucks. In most cases, this is only an hour-long process. Call ASAP Drain Guys and Plumbing for your new garbage disposal today.